Welcome to Study with Nanika. I hope all of you guys are doing well. So in this video we will discuss about gender identity. Okay, so what do you mean by gender identity? Gender identity is the way people perceive themselves to be female, male, a combination in parts of both or neither. ठीक है, socially construct होता है gender identity and it is an intrinsic aspect of an individual sense of who they are. ठीक है, gender identity is also different from biological sex which refers to one's anatomical features. ठीक है, तो gender identity basically एक social construct है. ठीक है, फीमेल मेल या एक कॉम्बिनेशन दोनों का, जैसे लोग खुद को परसीव करते हैं वही मेन मीनिंग है जेंडर आइडेंटिटी का. एंड सोशल कंस्ट्रक्ट्स आर आइडियाज़ एंड ओपिनियंस दैट एमर्ज फ्रॉम सोसाइटीज़ एंड फाइंड वाइड एक्सेप्टेंस. ठीक है, तो जेंडर बेसिकली सोशली कंस्ट्रक्ट होता है. तो वाई डू गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़ प्ले विद डिफरेंट टॉयज़? इट मस्ट बी समथिंग विद इन देयर DNA, राइट? Actually no, it's because we give them different toys to play with. Sociologists and anthropologists have long noted that many of the differences between males and females are not universal across history or across cultures, and therefore they cannot be biological. So what's the alternative? When talking about differences between what many see as the fundamental division in human population, we have got to make a distinction in the terms we use. So sex is a matter of physiology, specifically in terms of reproductive organs. You are either male or female. Gender, on the other hand, implies the expected attributes associated with members of each sex. What does it mean to be masculine or feminine? While sex is biological, there is nothing universal or biological about gender. It is simply a social construct. तो बेसिकली जो भी है जेंडर आइडेंटिटी बेसिकली घूम फिर के वही है कि दिस इज़ अ सोशल कंस्ट्रक्ट और समथिंग क्रिएटेड विद इन द नॉर्म्स एंड एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑफ अ society. So how do we know? It's simple. We just have to be willing to look outside of our own society. It solidifies through an individual's day-to-day interactions with society, and such interaction include conversation, day-to-day tasks, and segregation based on gender. The daily conversation of someone with their peers, ideals, and neighbors, and how they are treated by others repetitively day after day sets a notion in them about their own gender. ठीक है, मेल्स को ज़्यादा फ्रीडम दिया जाता है, लड़कियों को नहीं दिया जाता है. ठीक है, whereas females are interacted within a way that makes them feel to be the weaker gender.